Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disassemble this Hemnes daybed from IKEA. I also have a tutorial on how to assemble this bed frame, which I'll leave a link in the description below, so after you move, you can easily put it back together. All you need for this disassembly is a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, some pliers, and a 5/16 inch Allen key. If you want to speed up the process, you can also use a drill with a Phillips bit. So the first step is to take out these drawers. It's not necessary to disassemble these drawers, but if you're limited on space, these next steps will show you how to take them apart. First, unscrew this knob and put all the bits and pieces in a plastic bag so you don't lose them in the move. Then take these two drawer slides off like this. Now unscrew these four camlock nuts and disconnect the back drawer pieces shown. Oh, and a side note, these camlock nuts can come out while you move, so you should be putting some tape over them. Now unscrew these four screws. Then take out the bottom of the drawer like this. Next, unscrew these four camlock nuts. Then disconnect each side drawer piece like this. And finally, unscrew these four screws. Repeat the same steps for the other two drawers if necessary. Now, we'll be taking apart the middle section of the daybed. So pull the section out as far as you can. In each corner, you're going to have to lift the other section up as the metal pieces are blocking you from fully separating both sections from each other. Next, disconnect these wooden pieces like this. After doing so, I recommend taking some pliers and pulling out these plastic pieces as they can break or be lost during your move. Now lift this section up as shown. Then unscrew these 6 screws that are holding these 3 wooden pieces in place. Next, it's not necessary, but if you want to unscrew the wheels, you can unscrew all 8. Now disconnect this metal rail. Then put this section back onto its feet as shown. Next, disconnect this rail. I recommend leaving the screws at each end for last. The whole process will look like this. Now unscrew these 8 cam lock nuts. Then disconnect this back panel. Now pull out any exposed dowels. Next, unscrew each screw like this. Now unscrew these 4 cam lock nuts. Then pull out all 4 wooden pieces like this. Now pull out any exposed dowels. Again, not necessary, but if you want, you can disconnect each drawer slide. Next, unscrew these 4 cam lock nuts and disconnect each side panel as shown. Then pull out any exposed dowels and unscrew each screw like this. Now we'll be working on the last section, so unscrew each screw and take each wooden piece off like this. The furthest wooden piece on each side will stay in for now. Then take each plastic piece out as shown. Now go to the back and unscrew these 2 screws. Then go to the front and unscrew these other two screws like this. Again, not necessary, but if you want, you can unscrew these 4 screws. Now unscrew these 4 screws. Then disconnect the metal rail. Again, leave the screws that are located at both ends last, to minimize damage. Now carefully disconnect these 3 pieces as shown. Next, with some pliers, take out each plastic dowel. Then go to this side with your Allen key and unscrew these 2 screws. Also take out the 2 nut sleeves as well. Now carefully disconnect both panels. They are relatively heavy, so make sure you have a good grip on them. Then take out any exposed dowels. Then go to the other side and repeat the same process. So now you're done with disassembling the Hemnes daybed from IKEA. Again, if you want to reassemble the frame, I'll leave a link in the description below, and hopefully this tutorial helped you out.